Hello, and welcome to Phat Monkey 404. Today, we are building a 100th year anniversary set from Disney. It's Steamboat Willie. This animation from 1928 that was Mickey Mouse's first ever appearance on screen. Believe there were a couple other sets released, like the tribute camera we done a couple years ago. The set number is 40659, has 424 pieces over 3 bags. This set was released in October 2023 and was retired a couple months later in December 2023. Let's get cracking.
And that's a wrap. Was a fun little build, as it was only available for a couple months as a promotional free gift on qualifying purchase. I was thinking it's worth something, being Disney related. Can be picked up for £8 on Bricklink, which is surprising. If you like Disney, this would be an excellent buy for the price, especially as the paddle wheels rotate and the chimneys bob up and down. Anyhow, that's it for today. I'll see you for the next one. Adios.